Hi guys, today we talk about Nokia 10 PureView versus Xiaomi 14 Pro. The Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on November 2023. The Nokia 10 PureView launched on November 2024. The height, dimensions and thickness is looking same. The weight of Nokia 10 PureView is 220 grams. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 230 grams. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with front and back glass and titanium frame. The Nokia 10 PureView comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The Nokia 10 PureView comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size is same 6.72 and 6.73 inches. The screen resolution is same 2K and the PPI density Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 522. Nokia 10 PureView comes with 518. The screen to body ratio Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 89.6%. Screen to body ratio the Nokia 10 PureView comes with 90.1% screen to body ratio. The aspect ratio is same 20:9. The refresh rate of Nokia 10 PureView is 120 Hz. 500 nits peak of brightness, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 120 Hz with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection Nokia 10 PureView comes with Corning Gorilla Glass armor. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Xiaomi Longjing glass. The both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. No headphone jack in both devices. The CPU of these devices, the Nokia 10 PureView comes with octa-core Cortex X5 with 3.6 GHz CPU. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with octa-core Cortex X4 with 3.3 GHz CPU. The chipset of Nokia 10 PureView is Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 3nm, and then Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 4nm. The GPU of Nokia 10 PureView is Adreno 760. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Adreno 750. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Android 14 Hyper OS operating system. The Nokia 10 PureView comes with Android 15. The benchmark score is not available of Nokia, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 1.9 million benchmark score. The camera setup of these devices, Nokia 10 PureView comes with quad-core camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom, 50x ultra wide, and 50x periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, dual LED dual tone flash HDR panorama, and it records 8K 30fps video. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide with 1-inch sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom, and 50 megapixel ultra wide with Leica lens, dual LED dual tone flash HDR and panorama, and it supports 8K 24fps video. The selfie camera of the devices Nokia 10 PureView comes with 50 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60fps video record. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60fps video record. The memory of these devices, the Nokia 10 PureView and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM, and the internal storage 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 GB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The commons and the features, the Nokia 10 PureView have Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, Type-C 3.1, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speaker, UFS 4.1, wireless charging, satellite system, IP68 water and dust resistant. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, Type-C 3.2, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, UFS 4.0, wireless charging, and IP68 water and dust resistant. The battery backup of Xiaomi 14 Pro is 4880 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. The Nokia 10 PureView comes with 5400 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. The price is not available of Nokia 10 PureView. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with $799. The result of these devices, Nokia 10 PureView got 24 points, Xiaomi 14 Pro got 17 points.